Well, the Dalai Lama is back in Australia, and despite the very bad joke that I told him last time, well, the very good joke, depending on how you view jokes, he kindly agreed to sit down and have another chat with us. And I found out a few things about him. I found out he's got a fear of flying. We've found out his thoughts on women replacing him and how much he's enjoying his retirement from political life.
When I have this sort of responsibility, then long flight, like Singapore to Sydney, 7-8 hours flight. Then sometimes I feel if something goes wrong, then about the bad problem. What will happen? Now I handed over all political responsibility, so I feel even I die. Now there are people now who really carry this sort of responsibility. So I feel like that.
So you were a nervous flyer?
No.
Oh.
In early period, yes.
Yes.
When some turbulence come, then some water come from here. One time, the short distance from Rajasthan to Delhi, short flight, I think 30 minutes. One passenger, and I think Spanish or something. Then I mentioned sometimes the turbulences happen. Some liquid come from here.
Sweat.
Sweat. Then he also is quietly mentioned. He also have the same experience. Nowadays, not much.
The problem is
the other night, from Singapore to Sydney. One occasion, quite serious over Sydney. Some people shouting like that.
Really?
But then okay. Then goes me. So that's good.
Well,
I think reminder.
Yeah.
Our life is not very sure how long we remain.
Clearly.
As a Buddhist practitioner, it is important to think about impermanence every day, every moment.
Especially on a plane. The worry is that if the Dalai Lama is worried about flying on the plane, then all of us should be worried as well. Don't you think? I know that there will be, and you know, you've talked about it before, there will be a new Dalai Lama at some point. Do you think that it's very possible that it could be a female?
Yes, possible. Then the question, how to bring the successor through traditional way, reincarnation, search reincarnation, or it's possible like Pope sort of system. Choose one. So I think that actually more healthier, selected among the top sort of scholars or top spiritual leaders. That also is possible.
But it could be a woman in the future, yes.
Oh yes.
How would a woman be different?
If the circumstances is such, women Dalai Lama can be more useful, then why not? Already in Tibetan tradition, very high reincarnated Lama, among them, women's also there. Then I jokingly respond, if female Dalai Lama come, and then must be very attractive female. Otherwise, not much use.
You can't say that, Dalai Lama. You can't. Your Holiness, you can't
But
say
you see, the good life or good body for practice, one sort of condition you see mentioned, attractive. Actually mentioned, there is 8 points.
Yes.
Long life, healthy body, and beautiful face. Mention that.
Well, you are that. You have a beautiful body and a beautiful face.
But unfortunately, I'm a monk.
Well, you're retired. Maybe there's a future for you and I.
You see, as a monk, you see no possibility to marry. So the attractive is not much relevant.
Okay. Okay. Well, that's just part of it. Of course, we had to bring up the thing that nobody wanted to bring up. I couldn't help myself. I had to revisit the pizza thing. Do you remember the pizza joke? Yeah,
Connoisseur. What is the meaning?
the Dalai Lama walks into a pizza shop and says, "Make me one with everything." And so this is the pizza that has everything on it. It's pizza, and it's one with everything, like in one with the world. And it's a vegetarian.
A lot of sort of material.
Yeah, well, you've got to. There's a lot on it. It's everything.
Oh.
Do you want to try it?
Oh, yes, okay.
We're going to try that pizza. It's one with everything. Oh,
Perhaps like this.
oh yes. Round of applause for Dalai Lama. Does it taste okay? No.
Very good.
Oh,
Very good.
one with everything's okay. You can put it down. You can put it down. It doesn't look that good to me.
Very good.
Thank you, sir. It is very nice to see you. It's very nice to see you. You have a wonderful sense of humour. Do you want me to try it? No.
Thank you.
I wouldn't eat that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you. We'll see you soon. Thank you. See you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was really moving.
Yeah, it was moving.
The one with everything. I mean, he was loving
He's
the
into it.
pizza. Was that the cheese injected crust one?
No,
'Cause
just the
did
basic.
it have everything?
It had everything on it, yeah.
Because he was a while chewing.
He was a wild chewing.
was incapable
it didn't
of
look
speech
It
towards
didn't
the
look
end.
very good at all.
What did he whisper to you?
He whispered something, and I'm going to see him later, so it's all good.
You going to share?
What did he whisper?
We might be one with everything.
Really?
The Dalai Lama. He's so cool.
Quite the embrace at the end there.
Yeah, he's
There was a connection.
He's an aesthetic sort of person. What is it? Tactile.
Tactile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, I enjoyed it. And for full information on how to see His Holiness while he is here in retirement, you go to www.dalailamainaustralia.org. You too can go out and grab a great hug from the Dalai Lama.
Yeah, maybe
he's a
turn
nice-
up with pizza because he's clearly
He's a nice
got the
being.
thing.
He's a nice being.